Today, I'm going to talk to you about reorient. Reorient is a word that I sometimes include in my patterns, and I'm sorry, I'm just not sure that there's a better word for that. And I'm going to explain what I mean when I say reorient now. So, normally, at the end of a row, you would see the word turn, or maybe continue. Turn means you will turn to work back along the stitches you just worked. I have before improperly used turn after a chain that I want you to work back down and then continue in the same direction. I've changed the way I write that word. Reorient is still one of the best ways I've found to write what I'm about to explain. So I have worked a row of single crochet stitches back along this edge, and I've ended up here. I have one more stitch until I've reached the end. I'm going to work an increase into this final stitch. And then the pattern would say, reorient your work to continue to work down the unfinished edge of the crocheted piece towards the starting yarn tail and the OC. OC means original chain. The original chain from this is down here. The starting yarn tail is where we began, and then I chained a length, 16, and then I turned and started in the second chain from hook and single crocheted 15 stitches back along that chain. Then I chain one, turned, and worked single crochet 15 all the way up to here, and now I have told you to reorient. That means change the angle at which you are looking at the piece. Reorient to continue to crochet down the unfinished edge. That's this edge. An unfinished edge is the edge of crochet work where there aren't actual stitches to work into. These are the sides of stitches. This is the unfinished edge. It is not perfectly finished. There is no smooth row of stitches along it. It is an edge and it is unfinished. So we reorient instead of turning the work or flipping the work or anything like that. We are rotating. We are reorienting the way that we are looking at it, and we're going to work along this edge. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. I want to include a better way. So if you have thoughts on what might be a better way to explain that to folks, that would be great. You should keep in mind that I cannot use anything that is extremely directional, like turn the work counter or clockwise or turn the work counterclockwise. I can't do that because that is dependent on what handedness the crocheter is. I am right-handed, so I would turn my work clockwise, but a left-handed crocheter would turn their work counterclockwise. And I don't want to pretend that left-handed crocheters don't exist. There's room here for all of us. I want you to be able to work on my patterns and know that you're not forgotten. You are thought about. So reorient it is for now. That's what it is in most of my patterns. Patterns that have you work along an unfinished edge will include more touchstones that you can understand what I'm saying. Like I said, when I explained how to do the reorient, I said you would be working along the unfinished edge towards the starting yarn tail, towards the OC. So I'm trying to give you touchstones for understanding where you're headed when you work this row. But reorient just means change your perspective, reorient yourself, and work down a different edge. I hope that helps.